Hey doll, today I'm doing this blue and gold inspired makeup look. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. I'm using my trusty little clips to get my hair out of the way. To prime my face, I'm using the Maybelline Master Primer to blur and minimize pores. To prime my eyelids, I'm going in with the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 5. I'm putting it all over my lid so I will have a clean canvas. On my outer V, I'm using the Kristen Dominique's palette in the shade Moonchild. It's a beautiful black mixed with blue glitters. I'm putting that on my outer V, inner V, and along my crease line. I'm repeating the step on the other side. Make sure you blend using window wiper movements with soft strokes. Feel free to dip back into the shadow and apply as needed. So how's your day going? If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Next, I'm going in with the NYX Professional Ultimate Shadow palette in Bright. I picked up the blue tone and I'm placing it on my outer V and my inner V. And again, use shadows as you prefer. You can dip back in to get a deeper tone. I'm repeating the step on the other side. Next, I'm picking up the yellow tone and putting in the center to have a halo effect. I'm repeating it on the other side. Next, I'm using the Lipcolor eyeshadow palette. I sprayed my brush with some setting spray so it will apply smoother. I'm applying the gold glitter on the yellow parts of my eyes to make it pop. Before I finish the eyes, I'm moving on to my face. To contour, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 70. I'm placing it on all the parts of my face that I want to create a little depth. For my face today, I'm using the underpainting technique. Blending doesn't have to be perfect because it still has to peek through the foundation that will be applied. Next, it's time to apply foundation. Today I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 30 Hours in the shade Nude Beige. With a kabuki brush, I'm applying my foundation. I'm gently tapping it on the parts that I have contoured because I do not want to disrupt the contour. To conceal my face, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer in the shade 5. I'm placing it on all the parts of my face that I want to conceal. Places like the forehead, the nose, the under eyes, the chin, and most times by the mouth. And you can use a brush or a sponge to blend it out. I find the sponge is much easier to get into the creases. Next, to set my face, I'm using the Dermablend setting powder. Let it set for a little and then use a fluffy brush to dust it off. For blush, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the middle shade. Next, I'm applying highlights to the top of my cheeks, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose. Next, moving on to the lips, I'm starting by lining it with a beautiful coral shade. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Super Stay Violin Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rose Mauve Nude. For my lower lids, I'm taking the blue shade and running it onto my lower lids. Then I'm taking the yellow shade and putting it on the inner part of my lower lids. And picking up the gold shade and putting that on top of the yellow. Right in the inner corner of my eye, I'm picking up this beautiful silver shade. It's from the LA Color palette. Next, I'm curling my eyelashes using the Wet n Wild Lash Curler. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline New York Volume Express Mega Mascara in the shade Black. Line my waterline, I'm using the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Eye Gel Pencil in the shade Black. To save time, I had applied my falsies and eyeliner off camera. There you have it, dolls, the final look. Please remember to hit the like button and the subscribe button. And there's 2 more videos right over there. And remember, you're beautiful from head to toe.